What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That's right, guys. And boy, look at the portfolio. We are getting back to that 10K. Man, we are up, what is that, about 8% today, up about $700 plus today. I'll take that any day. As you know, we were getting crushed about a week earlier, but man, we knew the markets would come back, and boy, that stimulus is just pounding the market right now. And the markets are doing phenomenal, so we're going to go over a little bit today about, we're going to briefly touch on Cciv in this video. I think there is something we need to kind of go over, and look at that stock today, man, up over almost 11%, as you see down there. We're going to go over Gnog as well. We got some commercials to show you from Michigan, and just kind of go over some of that stuff, a little bit of updates, touching base on a couple stocks. So guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up, and the links are down below, guys. We got that Weeble, and we got that Patreon link for stock picks. So guys, let's get to the video. All right, guys, and here is the beautiful chart of Gnog. Look at this thing. We opened up here at around 1697, and just look at where we ended up, man. That is beautiful. We're up $1.05 on the day, up about, says there, 6%. Doesn't have any after hours right now, but one point here, guys, it was up over 1803, so that is truly phenomenal right there. 1803 for the day. The stocks are doing great. As you can see, I'm still holding those same shares. The only place I did add some shares was on Weeble. When it was down, I think the 13 or 14s, I added some shares. So you can see now on the total, we were up 36% basically, up $520. But I have no interest, guys, of getting rid of these shares. As you guys know, I've been telling you this since July of 2020. We're coming up on like 9 months of holding this stock, that I have a $30 price target for it, and I have no interest, even though it's, I love, look at this chart though. One day's looking beautiful. Look at that 1 week up 27%. Now the 1 month, man, we are down about 1%, but you can see here, the market slowly started to kind of go down, and we hit an all-time low here of 1267 in that month. And from March to 5th, 10 days later, that is a pretty good gain, I must say. That is a really nice gain. But to be up 27%, almost 28%, I'll take that. Now, guys, I do want to show you that I have been looking out for you, but unfortunately, New Jersey has no revenues for February yet, so I don't know where they're at. But hopefully this will update soon on the New Jersey, on the casino monthly internet gross reports. But I just wanted to show you that I am checking for you guys. And here's the proof. You can click on January, but you cannot click on February yet. So there is no update yet. One thing that I did want to point out here, guys, touching base on, is there was this article put out today by the Investor Place. 4 top stocks to trade for Tuesday: AMC, Ride, Gnog, and Cciv. I think that's pretty phenomenal that Gnog is getting in the same category as these stocks here. Now, AMC is kind of that meme stock, but it also has pretty good fundamentals. They were smart in the point of when they got all that stock, when the stock price went up, what did they do? They raised cash, and people's there for them. Ride's kind of getting beat down right now, and Gnog, has been a beaten down stock, and so is Cciv. Because of that, people was worried about the valuation. It was too rich of an valuation. So that thing went from like $60-something the whole way down to 20. And now we're up around that $30 price point. But a couple key things. Here are the top stocks trades we're watching for Tuesday morning. So this was by Brett Kenwell, published today, literally just about an hour, a little less than 50 minutes ago, guys. And I'm not going to really worry about AMC. You guys can get on here and check that out. There's Ride. But what we want to cover is the Golden Nugget, and we want to cover that Cciv because these are stocks that we're invested in. So here it says, like Lordstown, Golden Nugget Online Gaming has been crushed from its highs. However, the stock was able to secure a low reclaim of the 200-day moving average and break out over the downtrend resistance. So that's good. So what now? Well, shares are at a huge prove-it spot, near $18. Now it is only running head on into the 50-day, 100-day moving averages, but is also hitting a key level. Above 1812 could put the 61.8 retracement play nearest 2150. However, if it's unable to push through this mark, lower prices may be in store. That can mean retest the 10-day moving average, which is trending higher, or even a dip down to the 200-day moving average. Here's the chart. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me make sure I move myself out of the way because we want to check this out. Here's the chart my man got on this. I think it's pretty great. As you can see here, all the different indicators that he has for Gnog. And there it is. So that's what we want to see, man. We want to stay above this 18 because he's saying if we stay above this 18 right here, we could be seeing 21s on this, guys. All-time high was up here in 27.08. But we could break up over that 21.44 again, which would be pretty phenomenal if we can get that. So that's what we want to see, man. We want to see the stock. Now, I must say, and personally, I think the stock, I mean, ever since I told you guys in my last video I covered on this about those warrants, when those warrants were through, this stock was going to start taking off and it had no more pressure on it. So that's exactly what has happened, guys. There has been no more pressure beating down on Gnog. So what has been happening this last week? Up over 20-some%. And that's exactly what we wanted to see. So that there is crazy. All right, so back here to the article. We do want to see what they say about CCIV. So last but not least, CCIV, the stock, was a Wall Street darling but not long ago. But then plunged 38% on February 23rd, annihilating the bulls in a single session. CCIV stock went on a decline in 6 of those 7 sessions, ultimately putting in a decent bottom near $21. Since then, the recovery hasn't been too bad. On Monday, shares are starting to clear the 10-day and 50-day moving averages while going daily up and weekly up. Next up, $30. Above that, could put close from the huge doji day where it fell 38% in a play. That was closed at 35.21. On the downside, however, a break of the 50-day moving average could put the March low back on the table. So here is the chart on CCIV. And let me make sure I got this back here. Okay, so here we go. Here you can see he has the line right here at the $30 price point. He has the simple moving average right here, kind of right down there going. And right above that, he has the simple moving average at the 200 here going. So as you can see, this thing was up like 60-some, $63 at one point. I had, at that point, 50 shares at the $63 point, and I had no interest in selling them. I had no interest in getting rid of them. I think this is going to be a stock that just keeps going and going. I want this thing to get back up higher. I still got to get 10 more shares. Real quick, though, before we get more into that. Guys, we got to cover this Golden Nugget commercial real quick. So let's get in here and cover this real quick. Let me move this. And here we go. We got 2 commercials to show you for Gnog, so let's get to it.
The Golden Nugget Casino is famous around the world for its innovative, high-energy, and award-winning entertainment. If only there was a way to take it with you. Hello, I'm Tillman Fertitta, owner of the Golden Nugget Casinos, and I've got some big news. Drum roll, please. I'm pleased to announce the Golden Nugget online casino is live in Michigan. Our revolutionary app for your phone, tablet, or computer gives you access to the Golden Nugget casino experience anywhere you choose. Hold on, guys. We can do better than this. Let's have a celebration. Place a bet on your favorite teams through our new sports book or play your favorite slot and table games, all from the convenience of your phone at GoldenNuggetCasino.com.
Sign up now and we'll match your first deposit up to $1,000. Plus, you'll be entered to win a car in our Big 3 giveaway. Download the app or visit GoldenNuggetCasino.com.
Guys, that there is pretty cool. Now, that there is the minute-long commercial. Now, I don't know how often they'll have that one air, but they do have one here that is a 30-second commercial, and I can see this one running more on TV and stuff. So let's get in and watch this quick 30-second commercial and see what that one has in it.
Hello, I'm Tillman Fertitta, owner of the Golden Nugget Casinos, and I've got some big news. Drum roll, please. The Golden Nugget Online Casino is live in Michigan. Place a bet on your favorite teams through our new sports book or play your favorite slot and table games, all from the convenience of your phone at GoldenNuggetCasino.com.
Sign up now and we'll match your first deposit up to $1,000. Visit GoldenNuggetCasino.com.
All right, so there you see it, guys. That was basically a quicker version of it. So I think, that 30-second one is probably more you might see if you live in that Michigan area, possibly New Jersey. But guys, check it out. Golden Nugget has a YouTube page. That's right. Golden Nugget Online Casino has had 261 subscribers, and yes, I'm subscribed. And I did go back and watch their videos on their commercials. And like I said, they do have other commercials that you might want to check out. It's pretty cool to go subscribe to them, man. So, guys, just wanted to touch base a little bit on everything. Let's go back and take a quick look at the portfolio. Where we're sitting at here at 98.45. Now, like I said, I did go ahead and add some more money. If I go down the chart here real quick, the 1 week we are up $1,800. The 1 month we're still down $1,100, and you know what that's from, guys? That's from CCIV dropping from $60 down to basically now $30. So that's where my loss is basically at. The 3 month we are still up $954. And the 1 year, guys, we are still up over $3,300, almost $3,400. And like I said, I know this is just tip of the iceberg, but these stocks have a lot more room to go. As you can see down here through my portfolio, I got Genius Brands. Man, that stock's been on a roll. I'll have to cover that again in another video. Genius Brands got that deal with Roblox. It's official now. Stock's been going to the moon, up 11% today, as you can see. APXT finally coming back around. I'm still down that position, but I do see it coming up. I see that being a $25, $30 play all day long when that merges here happens. Of course, we just covered Gnog. Here is still the best bargain out there, probably on the stock market. Ticker symbol STIC, merging with BarkBox at $12. You kidding me? That is a deal of a lifetime. And I do got 90 shares of CCIV right there, guys. So that's pretty nice as well. I got like a $21 cost on that roughly, so not bad. I do got to grab 10 more shares, and looks like I'm going to be paying around $30 for them. But I think I'll wait. There's a slight pullback, maybe 5%, 10% one day, and I'll snag up these last 10 shares to get my 100 share position built out. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. And don't forget, those links are down below. So guys, have a great night. Peace.